5, 6, 7 is 17.
Yes.
We should write the word.
Okay, you write the word.
It starts with 7. S,
Do you know the
E.
spelling?
V, E, N,
Hello guys,
T,
tutor here.
E,
Nag-study me and I am the
17.
tutor. 17. Very good.
Now,
Very-
write each number in words.
Very smart yun akong gituturan guys. So easy.
Oh, I
No
got.
problem
Oh,
about
I-
the teacher.
oh, I got
no
it.
problem sa teacher.
Oh, I got it now. Write the spelling.
Okay, you write the spelling. So 11.
E,
Eh,
le, then 11.
11. Good job.
Now,
Okay.
12.
12.
No, 20.
20. Okay.
20.
So he is 6
12.
years old and he's in grade 1 at
T.
Davao Christian
See, look.
School.
I can spell the word.
20.
I can spell the outside word.
13.
It's
Okay.
like from the place we are.
13.
30.
Smart ka akong student guys. So, dili mahirapan si teacher. Good job. Good job ka akong student guys. So,
Now 18.
he's just arrived from school and now we are studying. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi. How many I'm left? Just don't need another T.
18.
We don't need another T.
Yeah, don't need. Good job.
19. Now this is 19.
Good job.
14.
14. So what's the spelling of number 14?
F O U R T E E H.
Each.
No,
It's not each.
I almost extended.
Yeah. So what's the right letter? 13. What's the
N.
letter N?
12.
Good job.
12.
12. Next is 12.
12. 12. This is for example. So there are
You read sa, you read.
how many tens and ones are there?
Yeah.
So there are 10. This is for example, write 1.
Okay.
And then there's 5. See, nothing. That's only easy.
Yeah.
There are 10 shells. 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8.
Can you get my delight?
What do you like? Snacks?
Yeah, look, I don't need to answer here.
Why?
Because see,
Circle a group of 10. How many tens and ones are there? Okay.
it's still example.
Yeah.
6.
Yes. So that's all for now, guys. Thanks for watching my vlog.
9.
Bye. Say bye to my vlog.
Bye.
Look at here.
Bye.
Now, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.